Well, greenhouse gas doesn't just stay in the air. A lot of it ends up in oceans, raising acid levels in the water. Alex Dimitrick reports it's now doing the same thing in the Chesapeake Bay.
Oyster season is underway on the Chesapeake, and the past few years the harvest has been improving. But aboard this University of Delaware research boat, the catch is water, and it's turning up increasing amounts of carbonic acid. It's being found in water 30 to 50 feet deep, bay-wide, where it's 10 times more acidic than it was a decade ago. Here's why.
As carbon dioxide from the atmosphere dissolves into water, it lowers the pH or raises the acid level, carbonic acid in particular, in the bay.
In the oceans, increased acidity has been killing off the tiny animals that make coral reefs. Healthy, they should look vibrant and full of color.
It can become stressful for a lot of the organisms.
In the bay, increased acid levels would be hardest on clams and oysters, especially oyster larvae. Seen here through a microscope, free-swimming larvae attached to other shells, becoming tiny spat. Carbonic acid thins oyster shells.
You could lose a whole crop of oysters essentially as they're going through that transition.
That could mean a setback for oyster recovery efforts where spat on old shells are used to build up oyster reefs. Acid levels aren't high enough yet to cause an impact, and it's the last thing an industry working to recover needs. Alex Dimitrick, WJZ Eyewitness News.
Acidity levels in the bay are also a byproduct of algae blooms and dead zones, destroying oxygen and changing the water's chemistry.
Boy, it seems like we get ahead in one area and then down in another.
It's hard to find the balance.